Welcome everyone to this video. Today I'll show you how to permanently delete your Fitbit account using the Fitbit app on your phone. Whether you're switching to another fitness tracker or just want to remove your data completely. First, open the Fitbit app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile photo located at the top right. Then, from menu, click on Fitbit Settings. After that, scroll down until you find Manage Data and Privacy, and tap on it. After that, tap on Delete Fitbit. Next, tap on the Delete icon to continue. You'll be asked to confirm your choice. Check the box that says, "Yes, I understand," to confirm that you're aware your data and history will be permanently erased. Finally, tap on Delete Fitbit Service to complete the process. Your account and all related information will now be scheduled for deletion according to Fitbit's policy. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.